Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to present a new feature that is pricing. Pricing for your drop-downs, for your widgets to calculate value or at least to provide an estimate of the value of the lead or value of the service request. It's for you to have more information about those leads you are generating through the widget. So how this works, you go to widgets, you go to I was making this one, leads for John Plumber. I mean, this is a silly example, but it's for you to understand how this works. We go to agents, edit form, and here we have name, zip code, WhatsApp. I mean, this is the typical fields to get a lead. And down here we have one of these new drop downs, the drop down with price. That's the new type of field we have created. Why is a new type of field? Because we don't want to impact existing widgets with forms. I mean, this will make a mess of existing widgets, so we prefer to add a new type of field, so it's for you have more control of what you want to do. Okay, so in this case we ask the customer what type of service they want. We have residential plumbing, water heat repair, repiping services, and we can put here 100, 75, 240, 87, 64, 54, 100, 100. This is completely free, up to you. The currency is set in your account. I will show you that in a minute. So this is the widget now with prices. Okay, so we activate, and now what is going to happen? The price is not visible for the customer. Okay, I only see the option. So I put my information here, I put my zip code, I put my phone number, and I choose repiping services, for example. Sorry, this is an email. I think I didn't put it right. Okay, well, this goes to WhatsApp as usual. We send all the information to the agent. The information goes well, but in your leads control panel, if we go here, now we have a lead with a price. Okay, the amount is here, the pricing is here, so we know how much are we selling. Okay, so this is one lead with 240, and this is here. The information is on the widget. Everything is working as usual. So let's say we want to do something else. Okay, let's go here to agents, edit, and let's put another option like is this service urgent? And because this is normal, no? I mean, sometimes you can request something like a express delivery or express service, or something like that. So we activate, and now we add up these options. So let's say repiping is 240, but I need this urgent, so it's going to be 100 more. Okay, so I go here, the same, I put my information, I put my phone number, and I choose repiping, and I choose this is urgent. A request, I send the information to the agent on WhatsApp. This is as usual. And now if I go to the leads, now I have this lead that is 340, because it's 100 plus 240 from the repiping service. And everything we have in this pipeline, in this funnel, in this CRM, is added up here. You have here, up here you have all the figures from this view. If we filter, let me see, how can I search? I don't know if I can search it. Well, let's do one more thing, and you can see how this works. So let's go back to edit the form, and we can add a scoring. Okay, let's say urgent clients are gold, because this is something we want to contact as soon as possible. I'm going to fix the zip code field so it's not an email anymore. Okay, Cesar, zip code, telephone number, type of service, repiping. Is this urgent? Yes. I choose request the service. I click allow. Okay, all this is good. And now we have a lead that is gold. We have the total number. We have the total amount for this client, and we have the total, all the leads we have in this funnel. If we filter, if we choose gold and we filter, the total is reset. Okay, the total is reset for this client about this service. So this is for you to control, to manage, to understand better how things are going, to understand better the value of the leads you capture, to also report to your clients, to yourself, to your boss, to whoever, a better figure for your activities in marketing, in sales, everything. If you are doing ads and then you have leads, now you can understand how that is working. Let's say you invest 100 in ads and you make 340 on leads, then things make sense. Maybe you want to have more ROI, more revenue per user, I don't know, whatever. This is something now you can input into your leads. You can add the numbers, you can add the value of the service, you can add the value of the lead, you can add different options to the clients so they can choose options, and you make the final figure for your customer. And this is something you can manage with everything we have plus pricing. So everything is working as used to be, and you can add the pricing element, the pricing component to cases where you want to have that option in your leads, in your control panel. Okay, well, hope you like it, hope you think it's a nice new feature, and we are here for you. Okay, thank you, bye bye.